Self-paced online course for best management practices, based on 5S, Kaizen Goal Setting. First up, we have 5S. This methodology focuses on organizing your workspace to eliminate waste and improve efficiency. 5S stands for sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. 8 benefits of implementing 5S system. Clean work environment, identify and eliminate wastes. Create more space, improved safety, improves company reputation, better confidence in customer visits. Improves quality, reduced costs. What is Kaizen? Kaizen is a Japanese term that means continuous improvement. Goal setting key points. SMART goals. Ensure goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Alignment. Align individual goals with organizational objectives to create a sense of purpose. Regular review. Monitor progress and adjust goals as necessary. Online Best Management Practices training course comprises following sessions that listed below. Best Management Practices Training Online Course Objectives. Who should attend this course? If you are a working professional, a student, an entrepreneur, an individual looking for Best Management Practices certification online, enroll now. Modules of e-learning. E-learning with video tutorials. Handout in PDF format. Sessions and final exam. Training certificate. Our courses are accessible 24/7. Providing you with the flexibility to learn at any time and from anywhere. For more details, please visit our website at www.punyamacademy.com.